honest Group 1 syllabus changes for CA Inter. And I want to emphasize on the word honest because I have been seeing a few videos on YouTube which says there are no changes from Jan 26 to May and September 26 except for some changes in tax. But the honest truth is we have changes in all the three subjects, and I have gone through the entire latest new ICA study material, and I'm going to tell you what are these small subtle changes and what you should do if you already have purchased classes, already have books. How should you update yourself for May and September 26 exams? First, let's start off with advanced accounts. If you look at advanced accounts, there is an amendment in AS 22 and there is an amendment in applicability of accounting standards. Yes, these two amendments were applicable for previous exams also, but these two concepts were not there in the previous material of ICA. It was there only in RTPs, not in the study material. But in the latest May 26, whichever study material that you're going to use, these two things have to be there in that, guys. So be careful of these two changes, and these two changes I have explained in a separate video already. The link to these two changes and amendments I will give it in the description of this video. Apart from these two concepts, remaining all the concepts for advanced accounts are absolutely same, except for a new sums which are added in the new study material. These are just a few questions which are summary of RTP and MTP questions which have come in the past that are added over here. So you need not worry about this. This we have already covered in our lectures, guys, or I have already posted them on YouTube when I put RTP, MTP videos. When it comes to law, at least accounts is just two small changes and few sums from RTP, MTP added. When it comes to law, guys, there are 3 to 4 serious amendments which can actually be tested in the exam from important provisions like 134 board's report, where there are some provisions with respect to sexual harassment disclosures and maternity leave disclosures. 137 there are some changes, guys, and in 143 subsection 12 fraud reporting also there is an amendment. All these amendments, don't worry, I have you covered. I will be posting very soon a 15 minutes video with all the amendments in CA Inter Law for May 26 and September 26 along with my latest material. When I take that lecture in my new class which is going to happen, I will snip that 15 minutes amendment and share it for you on YouTube. When it comes to tax, people are having this misconception that tax is changed fully. No sir, should I again purchase all the lectures? Now 90% is same, and for this I know I am not a tax faculty, but I have spoken to our tax faculties in CA classroom, got their confirmation. 90% of DT and IDT is same, guys. Anybody smart will be able to figure out the changes, and don't worry, from our side for direct tax we will be uploading a 2 hours video, roughly about 10 pages. That's all is the maximum amendments. Rest everything is same as Jan 26, and same for IDT. Even though it's new Finance Act, it's GST 2.0, IDT also the maximum amendments comes to about 5 pages roughly, and we will be sharing another 2 hours video from our side faculties of CA classroom giving you all the amendments for May and September 26 exams. Now to summarize, for all these three subjects collated, conceptually it is 99% same, guys. All these changes are very negligible, or in our auditing or law or CA terms we have to use not material. Since we use the word material, sir, what about the material that we are using for exams? Now for tax, it is generally recommended that if you have your own material and if you can manage with these 2 hours and 2 hours DT and DT amendment videos, you can manage with it. Or if you are starting off fresh, better to go with new lectures and new materials for tax. And for all the students who are following my lectures for accounts and law. I am 100% changing the full material, and even my full concepts are 100% going to change, guys. Let me show you my new material for advanced accounts and law. This is my new material for law, guys, fully color. This is the new material that I'm going to take my lectures for law, and this material soft copy also I will give it to you for free. And when you look at the workout material, how I'm going to do it, for every question I will be giving you the source from where it came, and the answer will be split into provision, analysis, conclusion, along with highlighting. The keywords will also be highlighted for you when it comes to law, guys. This workout material also I'll give it to you for free, the soft copy, of course. When it comes to accounts, this is my new color material, guys, where we have the question and answer as per ICAI study material and RTP MTP. And what I'll be doing, for every question I will be giving something called exam lifesaver, nothing but common mistakes and pitfalls students will do in that particular question, or known as, what to say, common mistakes over there or pitfalls. And for every chapter I'll be giving something called 0 mark zone, red flags. In this chapter, what are the conceptual mistakes you can do? Now all these materials, those who want can purchase it on the CA classroom website. However, I will be giving soft copy for free. Sir, when you will be uploading this, you can go to the CA classroom website, free resources, and I will be uploading all of these materials in the website towards the end of Feb 2026. End of Feb 2026, as my lectures are progressing, the final material will be uploaded soft copy in the end of Feb 2026. And even those students who are going to purchase these materials, they will be getting it in the end of Feb 2026 in their house. And my new lectures for accounts and law will also be based on these materials only, which will be completed in the month of Feb and March 2026. On a daily basis, we will be doing 4 to 5 hours of classes for May and September 2026 exams, guys. But mainly for those students who have already finished the lectures and finished learning, you only want to do revision. At this time. My suggestion for you will be, if you are comfortable with what you have already studied, go with that. But additionally, for revision, I will tell you, please take up any test series. Sir, are you saying take up DIRA test series? No, DIRA test series is what we have, but take up any test series which will help you practice, guys, So for those students who are not taking classes, but you are just learning by yourself, revision, it is absolutely fine. So what you can do is you can watch marathons and you can practice with these test series, which will help you be much more confident in the exam, guys. So that's about it. Any other support you need from us, let me know in the comments. As much as possible, all the marathons, all the amendments, all the relevant videos for your exams, expected questions, everything I will keep sharing on YouTube as usual. Let me know in the comments and I will see it. All the very best for your exams. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.